asofofo na edi mpipiragro we adwuma we amuye asofofo Ghana asofofo amufro mu kristofo amu na edi sam mpipiragro we yo mpipiragro we ye fra na mpipiragro en no mu di no obi anya obi a no wotwa ne ti adwuma mu di no obi anya obi a no omia no adwuma mu di no weba bedi we atem no wa bedi we atem ena se asesa game na sesa ena aye kese ati se Facebook bloggers yi empipiragro aye di no obi apie wo so maame ye sei o maame abodam o maame dwonso ebi nie ena o ma peta ena o ma aye ne kese as simple as ABC wey kese mu jam kura ma me ko because we ehun hia se metra wa ye dede wa asem we hu me be bo audio no na mo tie background nkomo a ekoso bema ya be chi ne so oto oba amuna bema ya be chi bema so oto oba amuna obusa omusa dia na maye he's asking them bema ya be chi so woto muna to eti se kro no this obi a omo kro no da muna to eti se kro no so obi betu na woto muna wanu we ekatum enkasa so obi betu wo hode sen ne ye be chiw se woto muna wanu ntimi mie me na me ka kire mu se ni obi betu se wo bokro no a wo hode sen akura tibi chi krofo gina o me do nyame and that's the truth, nothing but the truth. Obi aya chini se o to oba amuna o fo su repu oba mo pie de mo oba be che no na no kwa de che mo de mo de sekan ene ejan ene ehunahuna no Ghana for I just don't understand sometimes. Aya na me busa mo se aya nipa sheda na ana se sa na nipa adwenetie aya na me busa me hu sa question o me busa me hu se aya mo sheda anase sana mudwene sana mwadwene ti ana. It's a question. I'm telling you. Fine. Ni paru betimi ebia otano anase ompenasem. Otano anase ompenasem fine. Because ebia o normal boni a ono so aye. O normal bia waye. O boni bia ono so odi. But say wait, somewhere that way, and ye never check, never think critical, not just thinking. Don't just think, but critical thinkers. I need critical thinkers. Me penny pa, so be kasa, what me who assemble, what me sense assemble. And yet, Tien Kwao, Yan fire soon quantity assemble. As some so sensing them. You need to feel it. Ese a room, now chichem, ebia unibi, ba uobia, we kamu mamen kasa, we can win here some kasa. Messi asofu for na mudim pipragro. Asofu for Ghana sofu, and o mudi o muatem, and o mudim pipragro, and o mudi to my phone, and I will do some pempensui. Now we are lucky. Komu kuno. Komu chili to kroma kombo to kunu, me make a chero. Dear o my no kromo de cheno. Because na eni wo ho ba ka to from baby aka this guy would have born dead kiebe kunu wanya no ho atwitwa wanya wagye say wo feel wo kon no obo mpa ya won na nyame ase mom ya wura audio no ntie audio no na mo ntie nsem a wo audio no mu na mo nka kire mo yo ma oba ye repu no anase oba ye repu no etise wo kunu oba bi ho odi be repu no kafa kunu oba bi ho a odi be repu no so no mu ede wo be ma hye ni mu aso ne nda no ka o professor obewuo oba ye repu ni say na otie oba ye repu no she's even asking them to leave him munya no or say pache wa ma no wo ye repu oba ye repu no a shock e tikunu so no shock o shocku mi do nyame no wo be ba kwa na no ho pupu me na me ka kire mu ade na mo nka no kresa ade na mama ko tompo ala ni moduane sa why I don't get it ye repu oba no ma tikunu so ka ojina ho ye be ti no no ka no ho pupu wie kwa no be pa che wo ye be mema ne bo wura ho ono mbe gye no ka ne ho wo so ka ne ho awo so okra no ka se ono ko e confused yes yes na ade ba yenya critical thinkers. Let's go to the audio. We are not going to interview naturally. Na yenti ensem okan yenko audio no so ya be chi be ma o report ba mum yenti no enti wo ma yakume oba no so se dabi bra munyai hey Ghana sa nipa ya tawa on sa uta nipa bibio de behye no enti wo ma yakume oba ye be repu no se o da bio adasanye so di oben ono na be sewu so di oben ono na be kum nipa oben no di otale ho no suro no eche nipa bia me do nyame di oti eche ba bi onyawo di oti eche ba bi onyaw ba yo bew no ono de bekum muntie biom yehwe ade mento aso ana men sorry mento aso ana men ko when kekewu just 11 seconds 11 who play 11 seconds agro can see can come be any baby out who play 11 seconds get 11 seconds agro see 11 men ko 50 seconds I was say agro who play get 11 seconds eduma na see 11 seconds get eduma na see eso bia ye sori ne ekofie ati se wakotue sika okwa he boxing na ya knocking the pakon out within 10 seconds and 15 ya knocking a pine order ho eno anu ne yetuo tawo 11 seconds ka ese ewie ba minim mo adwene se wo pa ya nwoso sa mo mpeso amon ka se ye ntwa so na menko it's up to you to say ma to mo amutie me say 11 seconds ke ese me sorry na me ko me mo 1 minute 11 seconds 11 ese agro si 11 seconds obisi ge no e wo relationship mu ene de me hwe ho only no relationship ene wanya masem obetimi ni na wo relations that's a different topic altogether. Obetimi ni get na da e bia ni girlfriend no e bia o tete ewe no eno ye different matter. But audio we obo 11 seconds audio no see yam pon. This e bia mo pese ye to aso ni ye ko enim ni ye sa wuram ni ye sa kwa hwehwem. Munti 11 seconds. Listen to the 11 seconds. Munti. Radinya nkopo. Hey! Ni patiri mo ding. Do nyame. Ada satiri mo ding. Ni patiri mo ding mi do nyame. Sa hu ni pa, so ni pa. Ewia se pa nkese nipa kanye chese nyame ne boy nyina bo mu a kani kwa se nipa kwa woni nipa ye fine mi do nyame ese uso nipa lumba wase so ma so pese onyi cha so uso nyankopon a wo so ma na ema ye dangerous omwa ahima this do efutu a wode ma ne ba bi se ye wo hini e oketechie me yoba sa opese wonyi cha so nyame na suro ma uso nyame na usuro ma na ema ye dangerous on we baby ere ne bokwa agwato ohun de oba ye no de sikatimi ye no oba timi ya ashawo tutu na otina ho na be ma aba wo pe pa kirika ohun no da onim no da no atam no de na hyeka mu na oba atim na de na fongulem saa na yakwa ne na koda na yatua ne ka no wasa ba fie ema wa kukuduro aswe ema they are brave maybe a bema ba obi ntimi mfa me ntira ka mu entu enkofa nwuram kwan mu saa enkom emfa me nkofie ene me nkoda ba oba betimaye onim ne da onim no wabe paki kan wa tenemu sani wo ne hyenase sadi ne hyenase yama ne sika nko ade oba betima akodi aba yama ne sika mo ani ne akan sika egu ne botum ne yakone yakokunu ewo ngulum ge gyan ne abafi oba hwadi oba ya no 11 seconds me pa me komi ni me pa ma pon me pa ma pon wa jinedi so on in relationship mu so on in relationship mu it's up to them but audio way particular this audio a setup ana audio no ba ya metie ya man tie nu 1 minute na me sere ya na me se wey edwuma di no ye ina ya mafia so ye ina ya mafias and we know how this business ye nim say they run a business. My boy no anya smart. Boy na anya smart. Oye don. Osofo no oye don. Adenti no oba be frefrew. No ofrew. Osofo no ofrew. You have to question yourself. Ba wanye. Wan question hu. Ofrefrew sa. So because on the date here, many problem a bit more possible. Yes. So because obani on pana, it can be possible. I'm telling you. And a one year before I be county, a 1 year before I be coon. Yen him the ope. Nippo head your pa, no a yama, no now. Nippo be a ocean your wood will be on the weak point. Obia on the weak point. Samson, Obani didn't trap on say ye be fair. Samson hoodin, or triple an ebu, Timba no a chinebu, or so be a one who bugu from. And yes, there be Berman Timmy, yes, to me. It's a new swap, and a Delilah, a man. Oba, or Benwa, we just said, who what did to say, will be you, or Barnum. They did Delilah Pia chair, John Samson. They did man. Samson finished our banner and suffered fun enough for him, and then sat taffy no home, and then such a two being and two. Now, Fed your banner started question. Hey, Bema, we are Bema, we are Bema. We are Bema or Dada no. One more didn't say him. Or so any day I'm in tank. No, but not finna no son enough will be an feeling or no me and feeling. I feel John. Now, Fed your yeppy. Oh, me timi hayaneshe. Was me be waton amana tamfo. Emema, a man who ye say ye meh, ye nine. And ye nine. Baby, you're feeling on or pehu. No, the nensa sum, no pusa feeling. Be a womb be your becker. What me maukum mammy? Or bite me no mammy yaka. Yes. Because what would chew on woofy? And only the atrapunia. Something would be bia. Claire! Obia o tia dia wodina so etie ye. Analyzing omano. We yen say adade ohun. Something cry dia now so for apia. Apia, Deborah Clontimi nka o si Debola. Ye dia na am wanwa. Ya ye adwuma na egu no so. E de muntie. Ye kwe. Obia menimu dada wokumase. Obia menimu dada wokumase umye kume. Nti ehonum no onim ne dada onim ne sen ehonum no so osofo apie bie gane da enye wanwa ebi one no mo afa obia menimu dada wokumase. Tonga ne de most likely so obetimotu. And there's no two ways about it. Obia menimu dada wokumase. Ye kume unim dada unim ne sen. How did you know her? Tonga ne de so otu anya me wanwa eno me ye critical analysis to ha critical men jabi nyi bi mfiri mu ni swa ya wo me ma me kan na me hye crown bi yesi me lawyer na me adwempo che aso deni ade na ewie me say you come here one of the greatest lawyers for Ghana and di asem obi entimi sorry so obi entimi ntra so because me a deep thinker me really deep asem bi obeka bia no me this way me wa no sa woni me ko me no because obi wa no a fa wo penalty free kick me bo afa ho no wa ebe o fekeke minni mu dada e wo Kumasi onim no dada eno no e kasa wo onim dada unim ne sen na unim no unim ne dada e twi kasa wo tani ye na me chemu twi me go school bro fo na me na me wie ene mass bible chia teacher ni ba o say Kamal Muhammad wo he emrante hene me no onim ne dada e wo Kumasi so fo apia na e ka obi a me nimu me nimu so obi kasa obi nimu bia na onim no e wo Kumasi yanko osofo yanko enim oba no why aggressive wa jipa enu no ho wa ji contract ama nu ho abam afa one bra no one no e ko 50-50 me da say osofo apia abiam danso was still lawyer no ohun say wo mi mu say me kodi say adwuma no sana sofo ka abiam danso sofo kese pa na o ka no oba na ji contract enu no ho ne ho mete boni didin me kai say me kodi boni bi me kodi boni me ma me ntoma me sai me ko hoye na me jinani mu ho gay die bi na che me ana me jinani mu ho na me chile ma disika no ana alam be swai gay bi wo me ma me ho ana ye de share so on na wi antoma no ye chige ne ye bunu me jinani ni mu na me ti se fie wo ye na me se adan ana me twe be ho a na se me ntoma na me ma ko sale di no ana ye dia hye obi me jina na me ho hyehye mi do nyame de etu gay bi no ma hodi na fe de me tram baby na me ho hyehye me na se me wo yira me twe me ho antwe me ntimi mpie ye buge yi ye na to phone na nufu ba ko da chansi tire so ne nufu ba na nufu e da chansi tire so me jina na me ho yira me na me si kaish ena bibi pia me se no na mu friend Holy Spirit na me nim ena bibi pia me ena me ko na me se enyo na ye me ana me ye me na me fa bibi le pia me sa bibi no enya physical spiritual bibi ena wo me ko na me se enyo no a me na me fa ebi ne pia again waje pa enu no ho afedi o kuma no obi a ye repu no okuma de o repu no Ghana fo ye critical thinkers oba ni pacho mumietie oba ye repu no Allahu akbar yanko wa ploto si embe kume ploto see me come this is his words obi a orepu oba wanya anu kase wa ploto because ebeto no you are in the act of raping somebody and you are rather saying wa ploto see me come munti oba no was there bio Allahu akbar sa no kreji ni ti a kontompo pebabi tina sa no kra oyi atwi ni ti se ya ade afi no kontompo no ono atrase one plot to see me come. Oh, there bio. Nina mutie. Muna muka senye setup no. Some conversation between this man, the killers or the murderers and the lady. Nina famasum. Anamontie. Mudi mo se bema. Eti na no wash boxer shorts. And yet it in atade. Enti okorepu oba. Ma who say bear ma se boxer shorts. Ah, me market a tea across the kind. Etitin Natalia free no home. Etini chain. And you all report by me boy. Astaghfirullah. Astaghfirullah. Yanko yenim. Yanko. Obaba kuno odine tire no. Be man say urade save me. What say urade save you? Wa ba be sha. Wa ba be sha. Wa ba be sha. Wo say urade save you. Wa ba be sha oyede. Wa ba be sha. You don't have anything to say. Ebi amu baby amu tie estate. Nhye so ne ade ade ye tie aso ase. Ye chi akromfo, ye chi ni pabonefo. And we know how they communicate. Upa busa Lord premium on beka kire mu. Obia orepu oba, you couldn't say it to his face. What man ka? Mo bunu, mo the second kram. Mo bunu. But yes still no, wontimi ota ya utu oba mo na kwa sia rapist. Sane makasa. But this girl, she never said anything. Ojine chire. Was you obia? Was you obia? Waba besha. Waba besha. Come on, man. Madam for girl ni adua. No maba besha adua ho. Enti ese mo woman. I'm asking you all. Madam for ne Sally Sweet. Maba besha ho. Enti ese obi woman. Madam for ne Yasmin. Maba besha ho. Enti ese obi woman. No mo de second e woman. Just listen to their communication. These people are damp. Omo ye say adwuma no omo ye fun. Adwuma no ko omo nim ye. Omo anya fine job, we anya fine job. Adwuma bi ho wo ye amahunte. Udi bone kura amahunte. Ese unya expect. Unya omo nyansa. Enti na Nigeria fo mu ye no. Nigeria ni before so obeba be ye adwuma no. Oye neat oye ne research. Who ye adwuma network. E da ho hu. Wa ba be sha. Ono odine tire o twa camera no muntie. Listen to their communication. That will tell you everything. Omo kasa no eno keke e kasa kire wo. Omo kasa no nkomo na omo di no eno the answers to your questions. Na me ye bema. I know so obi betimi di bia ye me. Wo ye bema. Obi betimi di bia ye wo. Enti mun tinkin critical. No what time na motano anasa wotano sa umpe na asemo and a different ball game altogether. But when it comes to this audio aminu utie die, I can put my life, make me the crazy say a setup. My life, me nkwa. Mumi entie. Tie, muntie question get the kind muntie. Waba besha usi Euradin sebu. Waba besha. Enti usi Euradin sebu. Waba besha. Muntie bium. Waba besha o. Waba besha wasi Euradin sebu no. Waba besha usi Euradin sebu. Epa chawo uhemi utie me. Wabeche me wabeche me se me repu oba. Me butu oba nso matete na tade because rape eye struggle. Oni na ekun fight and fight ene be pio so. And o friend radi say radi jeme. Omo si oba be sha o. That was omo answer omo the man audio no. Unti yebeko enim yebeko almost on naho afi almost bearman naho on naho bearman naho and they are forcing to take off his clothes almost force to tin atade e force to tin the pants. Enyo omo ambeche ne sawo omo mo forso ena in a rape no sa wo rape oba sa ba ma rape oba obi enu o rape oba owro ne boxer shorts eti wo rape no na mo struggle no that time na wo ro shetana That time now we roll trousers ana. I'm asking you all. Me rape oba. Maybe chere mu say dey rape. Maybe. Sa uchi oba na wo rape no a. Struggle. What so mu na mo pray. Mo pray na wo chi ne ho no ma. E na wo yi ne ho no ma. E na wo tete ne ho no ma. Enti bema bia no rape oba. Or run the boxer shorts. And that's all run the trouser. Ya wo bia wo zip. Or who tell us no be a zip no. No ya de no ya shame. You don't when you normal. Ya nya say to man. Ya who report ba. You don't take off your clothes. Who need shirt. What is it na? So who report ba. Ya nyi ya dade o. Na me bie me buttons. Na me bie. Me be rape. Na me bie me belt. Na me bie me zip, na me yi me trouser. Na oba no da hen. Me busa mo, munyi ma no. Mo na me si munyi ma no. Rape is a struggle. Mo pray. Enti be ma no bie zip no. Oba no, ebi o kra the pants kra no. U fan chain. No dia shame. U fan chain. What dia be answer u di be shame. You tear the pants. Na pay. When you see who we and what to no pieko. What rape and your friend rape. When you roll on the boy, ya bet children or report and wash your boxer shoes. Or report about what share boxer shoes while run a shirt. I can singlet. And will be repun. When you're critical thinkers, that's the problem. That's the problem. Critical thinking ni Ghana. Critical thinking ni Ghana. There are no critical thinkers. It's just a few people in Ghana. And they don't think critical. Now, Asemba, baby, obi e jina no okojina ho, but they don't think. They don't go deep. They don't. Eno American, ya nyene. Ubede wa play. Onyene ubede wa play. Ya he. Yanko, ya be ko enim. Me se enokre, se trinity ya kontompo obedwane. Yanko. The guy is so confused because your fan say, you know, and one. He's so confused. What's someone trust no monkasa? Obi okore pu. He's bold to tell them, "One trust in yankasa raper." Mun obi a ore pu, mun hu bi da ho. Aya mun ko hwehwe, mun ko YouTube na mun ko hwe obi a ore pu na mun hwe se di omu sitie. Yanko. Yankasa men wo me ho sa. He's protecting his manhood or protecting him. Mamu wo me ho sa. Adena mo wo me ho. Na ye si na sum pow. Adena mo wo me ho. Pow. Body ben na maye. He's bold enough to tell them in the middle of all the what is going on. Bonnie ben na maye. Bonnie ben. Allahu Akbar. Obi ore pu obi. Obusa omo be chino no. Bonnie ben na maye. Nobody, none of them. None. 3, 4, 5 people. Obi enu otimi bie na no ka chen say, kwasia ya ti so ore pu oba. Nobody. Na Ghanaians, you see a rape. Ghanaians, you see an rape no. And I'm uncrophobia to share no. Omu to share no. Omu chemu no. Omu kura sekan. Ebi kura woma tire. Ebi kura omu chemu keke wo. And omu te say rape. And omu die mirika wure fio. omu kura second they are holding knife and omu nam area ho ade nsan omu nye volunteer fo but omu nam randomly nipa nam ho se me nam ho na second kura me nam me baby second kura omu kura second a omu de be wo nipa omu twem omu kom baby me see asem we omu they don't need a lawyer me really case hands down Ghana ebe jimu nsem sa case we opa omu be family na mo hwe no nka se ni lawyer ne me ni enko gina adaka mu no mo fa wiase lawyer nyina be face ni court mo be bomu nsem mama me you be shocked mo be hu say law ankasa law before Jesus Christ time na edi asem no omu ni degree omu di court na there's no degree bi ni hu ba no mutim ko gina court dia o asem obi ni obi yan asem na e na ba na mpanifo enyansafo mo ye wise no mo di asem ebi no yanko yamo mena wo ye me boni say abraminyo boni biya bold to tell them to their faces again. Mena wo ye me say abraminyo boni biya to their faces. Nobody nipa 4 or 5 against 1 nobody responded to him. Obie no man respond kwasia twenanu wanya anu ya beto se otu oba mo na wo se ka che se wonye boni bia na me mfa omo boni nche omo na me mfa omo boni nche omo now a true point was munkume kill me. This is what I will say. Munkume kill me munkume because he has onye boni bia. Why you fed up? A do baby why fed up? What's the munkume? Kill me! And then I'm on Pessi Becanocre. Adintra. I'm asking you. Why fed up? What's your munkuno? Sika kromo. No kromo, or my pipeline and numoja. But what's your munkuno? Why fed up? Because he doesn't understand what is going on Tiasi. Mesa na meka. Tamaye boni, unipa boni and who fu. Odi esa wo wi o ma me kwamu nam da. Wo wi an kwamu dam ya chiuda. Aya hwe se di obesia react. Nkwamu nam tekewu. Na oba besia, wo to ahye ne so, wo tete ne trouser, wo tete ne ntoma. E de obema ahye ni twosolam ne ya ba ba chiu. Wo se wonye boni bia. Obi eso ni wo responding. Na me mfa Ghana fo e boni nche. Yenko. The second video was say yenko. Nobody was able to tell him ne boni awa obi ni won ka kire no. He's telling them boni be na maye obi ni won timi bie na no ka kire se why say ni say obi ntimi nka obi ni won timi ka ye 4 or 5 against 1. Nobody was able to point out his sin to him. Nobody. Omo de omo yanso omo bono omo tene trousers omo yi ni shoe omo yi ni mpaboa omo tene chain omo tene watch omo fa ni phone, but nobody was able to point out his money to him. Nobody. yensua no kreka ade etu abrante ebetima to obi nka se bone mro me nam ho no I know say anything can happen to me in life, anything. There two no ebi betima to obi eni otimi che ne bone awaye but I need the whole Ghana. If we no blogger, no we are blogging, he's sleeping with somebody's wife. No we are actually bro, they caught a pastor. No we are show. Hey. Atemuda nyame bebu ya atanyu. Ye nyina obi ewu a okohye na daka minim. Na ye bebu atan. Ade obeye no asase so no. Do nyame obenya ho aketua. Na atemuda kora nsu. Aha, ewiase he ya obenya ho aketua. Aya, you unko. Aya, obenya ho aketua. Ede ne ye gine saa no. Ede ye boni na nipa yedi. Na ye den. Owo no ho a ye hu na deja a ye de sekai wo ne papa na no ni mojan enti de yen. Ede ye no wanya. Na wanya de yen. Emfaso be pa na be ba so aba wa brabom. Emfaso be na be ba so. Na ye den. Se wiase boni nko na ekoso wiase adwen boni kwan ya ebefa so ebe sey ye ho kwan ya ebefa so a ye be sey ye ho wiase eno nko na nipa adwene ene mo hu yade nko na wiase ene obu se akwala keto no wonya stroke akwala no wonya stroke akwala oda ho na ni efra because of your boni ayedi ye hye Nyankopon ebufu ya hye nyame ebufu ya hye Nyankopon ebufu because odobi eni nipam biom there's no love bi eni ho ade bi ebeye ebe favor nipa bia no ono enu no di ekiri say ye ade na favor wo dia eno anu no you are satisfied the way a man dey act no sana metie Sami se me nya obone me obi a me wo conscience sami ye obone a I feel weak me am within my system and no Kofi TV wo sa no say utimi pie kwa ponto say yes opie he's no shy ade na mo person ko oye no onye me do nyame you won't do it kamu kana she dem wo say dey opie kwa ponto he goes everywhere he goes you know why because onim so onye bone Kwaye boni a onu one spirit, onu one sunsum, onu one hunhum beda, not the flesh, not this physical. The spirit within you. I know they operate in real life. So we are boni a enya flesh no, spirit na wo mu no, enne ma ofili, enne ma omu yedu, enne na ma no ma bebresi wo obrabom. Enne ebusa no question bi na emede. Kofi busa say, "Obey ma nyina no." You see? What did you kind? What's I say? No one knows. He doesn't care about you. On fire home, on phone. The only man is on your pony by your humiliating. The only man you know. What's and one know until the end. Oh, you're on him. Say no one. I didn't mean. Say, it's not about that. He's bold enough. He's not shy. He's not scared. He doesn't care about what you think. Whatever you think is up to you. But your one mono, so on your bonnet, and on the bonny count, was it the truth is the truth. Whether you all did not see it. You all munina, mamu, me some deep bemoa, mopamunina musorintiame, me donya me fahum. And yesterday that was exactly what I saw in the guy. He doesn't care about us. You can blog him, you can put him out there. He doesn't care. The only man said, onye boni ena nipa epese omoye ne saa o gidie so se ade na omodi aye no no ehu aketua beba ena soe ebeba market munyina mo market bi biansu nka it will come to pass ebeba se nyame ne boye nyina so onye boni ena ya himudie ti no so onye boni ena saa de ne sia wallahi sumatallahi ebeba echecheche ebeba but so adi boni bi and ono so na so twe no no a that's fair enough But so when you be a bonnet, every and no crabinty, every your time binty, and any pie of course. Pay back time, Beba. And we in Yanko Ponsen. On one of the disassem, no man. It doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter who you support. But this is nothing but the truth. The guy, whatever happened to that guy, it's a setup. 100% setup. They're setting up. So only get that year, I know the minimum. I don't know. But on that very day, the course, you're setting it up, a trap, and you have to yamo about to because Bema person ya Bema. The old Dimenya Bema, ayo ba. Bema na sword din saying, send a sword dinner, and then the Bema. What sword din saying, and you we. It's Bema what is saying, none sword dinner, what your power bar no warfare. Penny taste to no, penna adio pe, a bren, obetum, mena make catcher. Samson at home na untum. Samson at home, woundum, and the idea and that's the only girl I'll meet you. So they know. Only maybe on again or almost show. But be obeka say o repugen will be here. Now they say o repugen. Get now police station or report on. Get no police station or report on. Obi ye o repu. The person o repu obano. Onu mama ko report case no. The onu repu obana anka ese obani mom de ko report no. Onu mom police station or the case akọ police station say yan hwehwe asem le woman. What do you think? The o repu obano. Onu akọ police station say police fo yan hwehwe mu. Na asem no nko nanim. Na no kra wo mu biempiem ra bonten. The onu repu obano. Obano mom onko police station. Asofofo na edi mpipra agro. Asofofo na etwetwa omo nenti. Asofofo na omo set amanfo up. Me dey akwa bi be interview ha e wo me program yi so. Me dey ne be interview. Ade a chinye ni 1 week. Asofofo bu akwa no. Asofofo osofu ploto ye em ye track akwa no. Ya bu no pra ye prepra nani na ko efra. Mi do nyankopon. Now at the right time, me this also for no yes, you man me the reba. Me the reba be program. You tracking a car. Omo chini the two. The same thing as see Gary, the same thing they beat him up. Neni na ko mo say no. E two krokra asofofo no mo take am ni e bu nipa, ni e ku nipa. Omo sorry omo ba no omo so omo ye nyame nipa. Just imagine what is going on in Ghana. Ade Ghana enimra. Enti sa wo ye osofo na wo ye panyin na wagidin anasem wo din ti a esem kunkum nipa to twene. Munya de mbetima ye nyina ba mo nkan hu se mo nkwa enkura mo. You don't hold your life. One day wo be da wo nsore mi do nyame. Boni bia wo di bia na da woni mu e twen na you pay, you account for it. I swear to God. Wo be hu aketua be ba mi do nyame. Ahaya o enye ba bia. Nko ahaya asasi so obaji hu aketua. Me na make a chiro. Because musuba boni no, mudi nyankopon akatakata moni. Ena mudi boni. Omo so omo nkwa asore kra. Omo they don't even believe in whatever you believe in. They are more thinking na omo nyini. They don't even believe in God. But they are doing better than you guys. They are doing better than you guys. Are they? Ana na mo man so ya so nkwa edidi esa. Mudi etese boni na mo ba sasi suzumbedi. Mudi Yesu Kristo enimu ahihye wonimu. Na mo bo Yesu din, na mo di boni, na mo di ku amanfo, na mo di ye no ma boni. Na boni na wudi no wudi terase. Nyini na ese o matusala. Mehu terase na di boni ya opese wudi bia. Ba haya, you face it mi do nyame. Me na me ka kire wo. Obia wo se wo ye nyame edwuma bia, wo de must bia hye nim. A wo frefre nyankopon din. A wo de ye no ma boni, a wo de ye no ma tantan no. You face it rough. Wallahi sumatallahi. Very soon, when you now benya mo aketua. Because the mo ye no, nyabrasem. And some feeling, some fooling, some time na moody no Ghana hono. And we will tell you. Then you catch the moon. Because yes, you know, but aboy. Say, Adia no Krayanka. Regardless of your faith. I don't care. Ade, Edia na ekoso Edia na ekoso. Obi a ori po ba. Story time. Story fin. Wabusa mo question in the video in presence of all of you. Obana yerepu no, she's saving the guy. Obana yerepu ya to no mo na. Oba ya to mo na, nhu apopo wie no oba ba gibe ma. Oba ya to no mo na. No hu apopo wie. Na oba be ko ma be ma na oto no mo na no. O de mi abase e mekume. O da bi o. Na me ntwia wo ka wo sa oba no. Ba bia wo hye bia, Nyankopon ntwia wo ka. Ba bia no kwa wo bia so anka. Otwa bia mpo Nyankopon. Oma ade eya embra wabrabom. Me na me ka kire wo. Amenim se ebesi. Nyame ontwia wo ka. Wontua wo ka. Because we are evil. We are about burning. We are nipa burning. We are nipa papa me do nyame. Are what is all this rubbish about? Are nkwala. Na mo de san kwase asem we abafifa nipa enimu na moko. What is all this rubbish about? Oba no be facing rough. Now at the right time we be pia babonti ababeka. Now our life will danger mo so oba no me ka kire wo. Life will in danger. Wo e betima ko ato atwene at any time because onye ni papa. Say obia any da also. And you can obetima lose your life. I'm telling you because obi obu abone no. Boni mu na obewu. E de na de be ma wo. E dan se ne ato ama wo. Cars se ne wanye. Sika se ne de ama wo. I say this how boni we. Why? Obi ayo repu obi. Obusa mo question mu ntimi nyia no. Hwe me se metina aso ase. Metina aso ase. And obi say Isaac or say a rejected Muslim. We say heaven won si ho akwa we kwase animu we heaven enya de obehu heaven aljanna baka gani kai mutumin banzani kuma kai baka gani aljanna da idonka don kai babban shege ne uye useless man heaven hu unimi nyansa why say odwan enti how will you see heaven nyansa fo na beko enya nkwase afo na ma block no jimifo je o blocking foolish boy Yankweni, ebusuafo ti de atie no. Obi antie audio ni yi. Listen to it. Mentie obia because obia on opinion. Obeba sa asem to obi. Na me mpe na asem ametuma be twist asem na akade mpe. I can say whatever I want to say. Obia wo de obeka. Ba wo na Nyankopon so nyame am wadwene o. Ma adwene nhye utim, wadwene nhye mitrim. It is a wuti ade a mentie no tie bie wasum yi ne tie ade e ekoso audio way without even going further. You don't need to go and search for anything. This same audio no nsem ni na ahim nsem ni na ahim me say wo 11 seconds asa audio no raping audio na o kan metie 11 seconds nko answer your questions edie me be bo a kire mo 11 seconds muntie 11 seconds, Muti. Oh, my Akume was it there? 11 seconds. Men come baby. Uchu come baby, cry was say audio no. 11. 7 cry. Me say 11. 7 seconds of this audio will answer your questions. 7 seconds, any 7. See audio nesi. You don't need to play baby. Brampacho jai eno nko anu anu obese obaso abraso bedi nkomo ha mawie men kasa kura biom. I don't need to talk. When ɛyɛ set up asɔfofoɔ na ɔmo di mpipira goro ɛna ɔmo di bɔne ɛna ɔmo asɛte ɔmo ho up na akoa wei mmerɛ bi yɛatwam mekae sɛ ɔbɛdidi owusu bɛmpa atam this same guy sɛ ɔyɛ gay ɔyɛ deɛ bɛn ɔbɛgu ɔno so bɛgu n'anim ase sɛ owusu bɛmpa yɛ gay ɔyɛ sɛn wayɛ sei ɔfa mma we are the same person a game ɛna ɔmo play agobɔne na ɔmo die ɛte sɛ deɛ bloggers yɛ ya o blogger bi ɔhɔ ɔbɛnya na nka mɛwu saa so na mɛnya na nka blogger bi ewu game no say yɛ tighter missing I'm the masters of the game say game we tighter this is what happened obi bɛnya na nka mɛwu o obi bɛnya nanka wow because of game I'm play I grew I be do tough game they say league mo yɛ din me ba cho mo camera ne ma Clark again I go and as say o top up the one nyansa no e no mo play agro no mo play I'm telling you basically o camera no na sabra me fro be ma me chia o
me do so come on
yes sir
come on boko there
boko boss
are you there obi so wo ye de wo hwe kasa na say de wo sika na bibia no e che say ade na enye setup pese mi busa say e friend say sa ankofo na omobo no obi ato mo nka biem
David
senka ade na nke setup asa sa ankofo na omobo no nko mapia bonte abekasa dada ba won to mo nka
David enu anu ye wi ya bo mo
ade e setup se me se ade na asenka ye rape ankasa pa se ye rape na se baba be se na se nsem bibira ba kira nka mapa bonte abekasa dada se ni se na mi hu ye rape but on to mo nka
ye ti o mo ka mo ye na si enu anu that's it money they pay them to do the dirty job that's
it setup
basically o camera no start ko piebra
setup Kamal etimi de me say de wusi kana me tie for the first time me tie ya na me hu say no ade na setup because omo wiye na omo sa pie ye no omo wiye na omo sa pie ye no kra no wo aye report no wanti man kwa report kra wanti man kwa ye case
never
be man na sa apie akwa ye case achire me tie say be man ka say achire kra na ono so tie say oba na sa akwa ye case because of say what tie say be man akwa ye case no so akwa say akwa ye case
no kra be pie
yeah tie setup enti Kamal asama me woka
me da say me show I don't know basically camera na basically me about yourself fish na bra okay yanko and be proud no moody man be me fro omo wi omo djuma afa na omo kwa report case oh rade basically still camera I don't know what's wrong
okay hello
okay yanko
yeah come on good evening
me chia kwa
me I totally believe say setup setup because ebi na oka say when you say me dem hai na say be me abestra me na so person rape me ankasa na me de me hono me ntimi antientim say obi be rape me obi onu free abonten ba mum na be tientim say e rape me na boys abaho abebu boy no secondly girl ni den no muja ono nkwan wo ho e ma onya access to omo back ni omo phone
exactly
them obe rape oba enro ne hu nyina ma ne nka ne boxer shorts ne singlet into wo girl yi wo pese o kire say oro wo hu wie ye no ana wo da hodin ana onu so gina ho no oro ne jeans
that was my question yeah
Ghana for me, I'm not saying say the pastor is right, but sometimes assemble we should put a year asema oni nipa no wono dada no aside. Ni enka no kure no. Girl ni interview. Ye bisa ne say guys ne wahin. Oso onim guys no baby a. Abramo say mutientie mu na boys ne bae. Eye den na afi the boys no. Pastor no tintim wo window say nipa mro say tentemu abonten se nipa mbra me.
This camera na so the camera is not working. Kasa, yanko.
Come on, me pa show ati base.
Mate wase.
Inti yemfa your differences na ye ne guy ne won say wa didi pastor we atem or ye say yemfa nto nchen and we should face the fact. Girl no. You say who kasa unim guys no or say omo ye area boys unim omo. Area guys na say ye frɛ obi kra frɛ obi tentem mo ne fie. Wo ba no wetimi de sekan aba. Wetimi de ply aba.
Yeah.
Abra unim de akɔfo ofie ho. Unim me semi demi na me tentem nipa mbro na wo fie ba na unim say bia me ana me ni me nua bi ku ofie ha o say me ana me ni obi ku ofie ha o sekan na wo de ba na wo de beyeden
yeah
nti munjai sa na munjai sa dem kama me da
critical thinking yeah that's it bye bye critical thinking rape why what about shows yanko best scout way best scout o camera no ma area boys will be any more o ma yira aso ase yeti book on for to twa no se kan ya asad na ko police station people o mu musa no be ka kire mu hello yanko bema
Kamal, good evening
sir
good evening
sir
Kamal asa no wo hwea me so me opinion e say set up
biscuit ba yeah
so obi akorepu a say ma repu mi repu anase mi wi ade na ye be chi mi amini mi bo na amaye de maye
exactly yeah
na afe na tara na ye jojo no sa de na mu jojo mi sa bo